In this one here, we see save and subscribe. It's pretty much what it says on the tin, right? It is a save and subscribe performance of a product. We can see it again, current period of sales on that one, as well as the comparison period when it loads. But otherwise, we can see, at a snapshot on the right over here, so save and subscribe summaries as well.
Hmm. So it's like subscribe and save. It means like if someone purchased the product that's on Amazon, we have this option. They do subscribe and save. Let's say they get a protein kind of bag at 10% off every month versus just getting it without any discount. So it's just like a kind of marketing technique we use on Amazon, like subscribe and save. Here, subscribe once a month to get a bag, get like 10% off. And here we can track it actually across marketplaces again.
Boom. Yeah.
Hmm.
So we can see, how many subscriptions you have on that product on your store,
Uh,
your subscribership revenue, the non-delivery sort of stuff like that, and the revenue per subscription and per subscriber as well, right? So we can see that this one here, the Women's Elder Class perfume,
uh,
revenue per subscriber is unreal, right? But it's only because we got one subscriber. That must be a
yeah.
big amount of revenue that guy is paying for that one
Uh-huh.
that one perfume. It's expensive
Nice.
perfume these days.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right.